In this video, I will explain how diverse Australia is as a continent. You will learn about the various landscapes and their unique features. Australia is also called the Red Continent because large parts of the country are covered in red desert soil. These desert areas take up most of the landmass. They are very dry and receive little rainfall. Nevertheless, there are animals and plants in these regions that are perfectly adapted to the extreme conditions. In the northeast of Australia, there is the tropical rainforest. Many different types of trees and plants grow here, which need a lot of water. The rainforest is an important habitat for many animals, such as birds, snakes, and insects. It also helps to influence Australia's climate and is a valuable part of the ecosystem. Australia has a long coastline, stretching from beautiful beaches to steep cliffs. Many of the most famous places, like the Great Barrier Reef, are located along the coast. These regions are not only important for tourism, but also for wildlife, as they are home to many marine creatures. The coastal landscapes provide a variety of habitats for different species. Australia's desert is an extremely dry and hot area. Only a few people and animals live here because the conditions are very harsh. Some animals, like the dromedary and the desert fox, are perfectly adapted to life in the desert. The desert shows how diverse and resilient life can be, even in extreme environments. Australia is home to many unique plant species that are different from those found in other parts of the world. Some of these plants can survive for long periods without much water. The eucalyptus tree, which often grows in the forests of the continent, is particularly well known. Many of these plants are not only important for nature, but are also used by humans for medicinal purposes. Australia is known for its extraordinary animals, such as the kangaroo, koala, and wombat. Many of these animals are found only in Australia. The wildlife in Australia has adapted to the various landscapes over thousands of years. Some of these animals are now endangered, and many efforts are being made to protect them. For thousands of years, the Aborigines, the indigenous people of Australia, have lived on the continent. They have their own culture and religion, which are closely connected to nature. Their way of life is particularly focused on survival in the desert and the rainforests. The Aborigines possess a deep knowledge of the animals, plants, and land, which is still significant today. Although Australia is naturally wild and untouched, there are many large cities, such as Sydney and Melbourne. These cities are economic and cultural centers of the country. Most of Australia's population lives in these cities, and they offer modern amenities and recreational opportunities. At the same time, the cities are surrounded by nature and the vastness of the land. Australia's climate is very varied, depending on the region. The north is tropical and warm, while the south is cooler. The climate influences the plant and animal life, as well as the lives of the people. Extreme weather phenomena, such as droughts and bushfires, regularly occur in Australia and have an impact on both nature and the population.